Namaste children. Today we are going to discuss the concept of light. So in earlier sessions or in the 6th class we studied about the light, formation of shadows and reflection that are used to. Let's recall the concept once again. Now what is a light? Light is a form of energy which help us to see the objects. What is light? It is a energy. Light is a energy which is helping us to see the objects. Now, is it possible to see the object without light? No, absolutely not possible. When there is a light, then only we can able to see the objects. Now, from where this light is coming? Yes, the light is coming from this sun. What is the main source of the light? The main source of the light is sun. See, other than sun, we are getting the light from other resources. Like man-made resources are there. Like TV screen, we can able to see the light. Cell phone camera, cell phone torch light, bulb. Many things are there. These all are man-made. But what is the nature? What is the natural resource? Here, sun. Sun is the main source of the light. Now, this light helps us to see the objects. In the earlier sessions, you studied about the shadows. How these shadows will form? When a light is falling on the object will form the shadows. And if you stand in front of the light, in front of the mirror, you can able to see your image inside of the mirror. How it is possible to see your image inside of the mirror? Because the light is falling on us. That's why we are able to see the images inside of the mirror. Now we are going to discuss the properties of the light. We discussed the shadow. It is also one of the property of the light. Now we are going to discuss some more properties of the light. As you know, that is, when we are switching on the light or torch, what will happen? The torch will focus the light in far distances. How this light will go? The light will follow the straight line direction. So here, the property we are going to discuss here, propagation of light. And one more property, reflection of light. So these are the two properties we are going to study now. Now we are going to discuss the propagation of light. Means how the light will go. In what way the light will travel. That we are going to study. See, based upon this activity, we are going to decide in which way the light will travels. Will it goes in straight line direction? Will it goes in zigzag way? Now let's do this activity. Based upon this activity, we are going to decide. Now, for doing this activity, we need to follow some steps. What are the steps? What is our aim? Our aim is to study the path of the light. To study the path of the light. What are the materials required for this? Three cardboard sheets, one candle, candle stand. So here the procedure is, for this we need to take a table. On the table we have to place the candle at one end with the help of the candle stand. This candle should be low, and I am placing 3 cardboard sheets in a line so that the holes should be in one line. So if I am observing from other end of this table, I can able to see this flame. Means the light which is generating from this flame is reaching to my eye through these holes. So what we can say that is the light is following the straight line direction. If I am disturbing the path of this light, means with the help of this cardboard, if I am changing the hole to upward direction, or I am moving this cardboard into upward direction, will this light reaches to my eye? Is it possible to see this flame with these 2 holes? No, it is not possible. I can't see this flame. So what I can do the conclusion here? The light is following the straight line direction. Then only I can able to see the object. The straight line direction of the light we can call as a rectilinear propagation of light. What we can call a rectilinear propagation of light. So here, from this activity, what I can give you the conclusion here? Light is following the rectilinear path, so we can call as rectilinear propagation of light. So with this activity we proved that is light is following the rectilinear propagation of light.